ठीक है ना, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है।
And my lord, my wife has a
बहुत से
cosmetic.
वकील लोग छोड़ने को तैयार हैं प्रोफेशन को, एक मंदिर मिल जाए तो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है।
Evidence on
तो फिर ऐसी पत्नी क्यों छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं जो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है और आपकी कोई आमदनी
because
नहीं है?
my lord on ground.
ऐसी पत्नी को छोड़ा जाता है क्या जो कि 15,000 रुपए महीना लाती हो, स्पेशली जब पति की कोई आमदनी ना हो?
अपेक्षा करते हैं सर कि एक से ज्यादा मिल जाए। हम तो धर्म परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं उसके लिए।
Of seeking adjournment on the basis of an incorrect presumption. Senior says that there is no possibility of compromise. Junior says that case be adjourned for 4 weeks because there is a talk of compromise. How can this contradiction be erased out?
The petitioner will try for.
No. If petitioner has to try for compromise, you are free to apply for compromise. Make all the efforts. That is the spirit of the law. But we will not keep the petition pending. I can grant you liberty to renew the prayer if the compromise fails.
My lord, possibility is not there for compromise, my lord. It is only for.
तो आर्ग्यू करिए ना, देखते ना, सुनते ना, फिर इसको क्या है मैटर, सुनाइए। इस तरीके से यहाँ दोहरी स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं चलती है।
Lord, I'll argue.
हाँ प्लीज आर्ग्यू।
Took place. The petitioner and respondent are husband and wife.
जी
My lord, the marriage took place on 2/5/2005.
जी
Thereafter, on 15/6/2014, the wife filed a complaint against the husband under section 498 of IPC
जी
and 406 of IPC.
जी
Thereafter, by order dated 7/10/2015, the petitioner got exonerated of the charges. My lord.
जी
Petitioner is a priest, my lord. He does home havans and puja, and he has no fixed income.
जी।
Thereafter, on
तो ऑक्यूपेशन सर्विस कैसे लिखा हुआ है आपने पिटिशनर का? पढ़िए, टाइटल में ऑक्यूपेशन तो पढ़िए आपने।
my lord, his job is no more with him. He's been.
सेल्फ ऑक्यूपेशन आएगा ना, सर्विस कैसे आ जाएगा?
My lord, that is a clerical mistake.
क्लरिकल मिस्टेक हाथ से।
My lord, he is not employed anywhere as of today. My lord.
चलिए हाँ
Lord, after that, my lord, on
ठीक
27/8/2019,
हाँ,
the petitioner files section 13 application
जी
for divorce on
जी।
ground of cruelty, my lord.
राइट
Then the wife prefers an application under section 24
यस
for maintenance parental right
जी
and expenses for proceeding. my lord.
यस
The lower court passes an order on 11/2/2022
जी
stating that application under section 24 is allowed,
जी
whereby it was ordered that 5,000 as maintenance is to be paid and 5,000 and litigation expense
जी।
has to be paid, my lord.
क्या गलत है इसमें?
My lord, because I have no fixed income as of today, my lord.
अगर आपकी आमदनी नहीं है तो विवाह क्यों किया था?
My lord, I am surviving on doing pujas and
हाँ
havan. my
ठीक है ना, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है।
lord. And my lord, my wife has a
बहुत
cosmetic.
से वकील लोग छोड़ने को तैयार हैं प्रोफेशन को, एक मंदिर मिल जाए तो।
My lord, my wife runs a cosmetic shop. She earns 15,000. And
कहाँ है वो कहाँ है? एफिडेविट आया होगा ना? कहाँ है उसका एविडेंस कि वो कॉस्मेटिक शॉप चलाती हैं और 15,000 रुपए कमाती है?
evidence on
तो फिर ऐसी पत्नी क्यों छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं जो 15,000 रुपए कमाती है और आपकी कोई आमदनी
because
नहीं है?
lord, on ground of cruelty, my lord.
अच्छा अच्छा,
She has
नहीं, वो ठीक।
preferred
अरे
an FIR.
अरे वकील साहब, वो ठीक है, वो आपका निजी मैटर है, लेकिन आपको अवस्थी साहब ने ज्ञान नहीं दिया कि 15,000 रुपए कमाने वाली पत्नी को नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए जबकि खुद की आमदनी ना हो।
My lord, on
आप
ground.
मिश्रा साहब से पूछिए। मिश्रा साहब, ऐसी पत्नी को छोड़ा जाता है क्या जो कि 15,000 रुपए महीना लाती हो, स्पेशली जब पति की कोई आमदनी ना हो?
अपेक्षा करते हैं सर कि एक से ज्यादा मिल जाए। हम तो धर्म परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं उसके लिए।
हाँ फिर
My lord, on grounds of cruelty.
नहीं
I have
वो
preferred.
वी आर नॉट डीलिंग विद योर डाइवोर्स पिटीशन, वो तो ट्रायल कोर्ट डिसाइड
My lord,
करेगा।
I don't have any fixed income, my lord.
सो व्हाट?
She has an 15,000 earning.
कहाँ है? मैंने वही तो पूछा, उसका प्रमाण बताइए ना, उसके एविडेंस बताइए।
Lord, evidence is not with me.
फिर और 11 फरवरी 2022 का आदेश है वकील साहब, आप क्यों उसको प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं?
Lord, I will file additional documents.
उससे क्या हो गया? हम आज पिटीशन खारिज हो जाएगी तो उसके बाद आप क्या फाइल करेंगे? कोई स्टे है नहीं आपके पक्ष में, 2 साल से आप इसको 2.5 साल से रगड़ रहे हैं मैटर को। अब तो 3 ही साल होने को आ गए, कुछ है नहीं वकील साहब। देखिएगा, पिटिशनर हैज फाइल्ड दिस पिटीशन, आपका शुभ नाम बताइएगा।
Kaustubh Tiwari,
श्री
Along
कौस्तुभ
with-
तिवारी हैज फाइल्ड दिस पिटीशन
along with
along with क्या होता है?
my lord senior advocate, along with Kaustubh Tiwari, Atulanand Awasthi.
अच्छा कर देते हैं, श्री कौस्तुभ तिवारी असिस्टेड बाय श्री अतुलानंद अवस्थी सीनियर एडवोकेट। This petition is filed challenging the order dated 11 February 2022 passed by learned additional principal judge family court Bhopal in RCS HM 1108/2019, whereby learned trial court in the proceedings on an application moved by the respondent wife under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act has granted monthly maintenance of rupees 5,000 per month and litigation expenses to the tune of rupees 5,000. Next well. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is not having any fixed source of income. He is performing the work of puja, part, home, havan, etc. And therefore, he is not in a position to give such maintenance in favor of his wife. Full stop. It is also submitted that wife is having a business of cosmetics and earns a sum of rupees 15,000 per month. Therefore, the order of maintenance granted in favor of the wife during the pendency of the divorce proceedings as have been initiated by the petitioner needs to be set aside. Next paragraph. When this court wanted to know as in regard to the evidence as to the income of the wife, Shri Kaustubh Tiwari fairly submits that he has no such material available with him. Full stop. As far as his income, as far as income of the petitioner is concerned, when it is pointed out to Shri Kaustubh Tiwari from the cost title of this petition that occupation is mentioned as service, then he submits that it is a typographical error. Full stop. Thus, this case appears to be a case of comedy of errors where the first error evidence to substantiate the income of the wife as alleged by the husband. Second error is that husband petitioner himself does not know his occupation and it is mentioned as service, but orally it is submitted that he is engaged in the occupation of panditai and performing home, havan, puja part, etc.
But
Full stop.
I've mentioned in the facts of the case.
Take it. Next bit. When award of sum of rupees 5,000 as monthly maintenance is taken into consideration, then this amount is too meager. Full stop. In the times of inflation, comma, sum of rupees 5,000 without disclosing any without disclosing sum of rupees 5,000 is less than minimum wages for even an unskilled laborer. Full stop. Thus, this amount when tested, then in absence of any evidence that the wife is employed and there being no affidavit in support of this contention and no material available on record, impugned order cannot be faulted with. Petition fails and is dismissed. Let arrears of the maintenance be paid by the petitioner within 3 months if not already paid. सर का नाम पहले डालना